Let me be, let me.
Welcome guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. My name is Teoluckzboom. We dance to and dance challenges for you guys. Today we're doing the Let Me Be Dance Challenge, guys. Let Me Be Dance Challenge. That's what we're doing today, guys, basically. So I don't really the song is still trending basically. It hasn't been long since it's trending everywhere, so we can just up on it right now. Now, this dance will be an hard one for you guys because let me say leg walk to it. So in case you're new here, you're not subscribed to my channel, can you subscribe down below? Like this video, share to your friends, guys, and let's get right into the tutorial. First step in this dance is let me be this leg walk. Just your normal 1, 2, 3, 4. This 2, 3, 4. Okay, let us say to make it simple. Just 1, 2. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. The legs pointing like this, so facing this side. Second leg facing this side, so it's let me be. Normally the leg walk is like this. Let me be. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. iPhone guys, let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In case you're finding it difficult, let me know, guys. Let me know. Let's go when we start. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at getting me, guys. Let's go. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. First, in case you find it difficult, let me know in the comment section, guys. Now the second step is what you're doing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You hit. But hitting you're pausing, guys. So it's pause, drop, double tap. So it's pause, double tap, shoot. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Pause, double tap, shoot. From the start, let's go from the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me be. Let me be. Let me be. Listen, guys. Please shoot, drop, double tap, shoot. You kick, double tap, you shoot. That's the second step, guys. Let's go starting off from the beginning again. For those of you that won't get it, from the start again, guys. From the start again. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me be. Let me be. Let me kick, double tap, shoot. I think, guys. Kick, double tap, shoot. Let's go. We start. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, go. Let me be. Let me be. Let me be. I see. So now, for that, the next step is, if you don't subscribe to the channel, kindly subscribe down below, like this video, share to your friends and family, guys, and comment if you find it difficult so that we can do it together one more time. Now, the next step is 1, 2, 3, 4. Listen, guys. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Catch your left back. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one will start together after I can get this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me be. Let me be. Let me go. Double tap. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think 1, 2, 3, 4. But you are leaping, guys. You are jumping on that. So let's go on the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me be. Let me be. Let me. I think that's so. This one is the easiest one. So you just do 1. You cannot do the 1, 2, 3, 4. Just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Are you seeing guys? Are you seeing? Okay, I'm getting guys. I think it's. And what was that? Let's do this one this time around. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me do. Let me do. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoot. Drop. I think guys. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoot. Drop. Go forward. That's it guys. Basically, if you have gotten the first, second and third steps, you are already there. Literally guys, you're already there. Let's do one more time from the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me be. Let me be, let me be. I think guys. From the start one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. First step is 8 times. So we're counting 8 times. Let's go. 5, 6, 7. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, double tap, shoot. Move on. 1, 2, 3, 4, shoot, drop, come forward. That's it guys. It's literally just it guys. You don't have to stress yourself, you don't have to do much things. Just learn the step from your dance. Voila. Voila guys. Please, if you're watching on the channel, kindly subscribe down below for me. Like this video, share to your friends guys, literally. That's all I don't want you to do this kind guys. Subscribe for me guys, like this video. You can literally comment for me guys. Let's go. Let's do that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7. Let me be. Let me be, let me be. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoot, drop. So guys, once you have done this, 1, 2, 3, 4, kick, you drop, you go forward, you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like again, you have to show our ballet dance. This, for this time, you're winding your leg and you're raising it up. So it's I think guys, take from the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Easy one. Let me go. Let me be, let me be. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoot, drop, 4, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Basically guys, hope you are counting with me. Because you literally need to be counting with me guys. Yeah, you need to be counting with me guys. 4, first step 8 times, second one 2, then kick, you drop, you jump 4 times, then you push forward, then you raise up. Basically guys, you just climb it up. So there, one more time literally guys. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me be. Let me be, let me be. In case of the last step I just included just now, you gotta let me know in the comment section guys. You literally gotta let me know in the comment section. So in case you like this kind of content, follow me for more. I say for you, subscribe to the YouTube channel, like this video, comment in the comment section. I think I'll drop in related videos on the 2 sides of my screen right here. So you can check out that 2 videos over there. Check it out to learn more dance tutorials. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.